Okay, let's talk about setting up your site buttons. Let's talk about what our buttons are going to look like across the entire site. This is where you can edit your button styles. So this again goes across your entire site. Whatever you set here, you can change for your entire site. So it will have a default text, shape, outline, padding, etc. And you can change anything. So you'll see you've got primary, secondary, or tertiary, and you can have 3 different button styles for your site. So if you want to change the text, you can obviously play around with the style, the weight, which is how thick it is. You can change the shape. You can have a circle. You can have it just an underline or custom corners. You can fill it or not fill it with your colors. And what I would do is have a couple different button styles that kind of go together. So you can have an outline, or you can have it filled in, or you can just have a line. So this is just really the style of the buttons. And if you want to change the colors of the buttons, you're going to change the button colors through here, which is on your color themes. And you can pick the button colors for each color theme. So this is just the look of the button. And that took me a long time to figure out when I was editing Squarespace pages, why I couldn't edit the color of the buttons here. They give you even more flexibility, and they don't allow you to just have 3 colors. You can have whatever color buttons you want edited through the site styles. And then when you are adding a button to your site, or if you are editing a page that already has buttons, you can change the style. So if you scroll down, you can see, okay, let's say I don't want this button to be this size or shape or whatever. You can see if you click over it and into it, you can change the button type. Okay, do you want it to look like that? And of course, you can, again, change it. This little blue thing here allows you to bring more space. And you can also change it. I want it to look like that. So definitely play around with it and see what buttons you like. Different buttons bring a different vibe to your site.